Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the source and target languages and noting any dialect needs. This matters for tone and terminology. Next, gather reference materials like glossaries, client-style guides, and past translations to keep consistency. Then choose your method, human, machine, or a hybrid workflow, and convert the document to an editable file type. Once done, set up version control and name your files clearly so every change is trackable, and you can revert if needed. You now translate section by section, starting with headings and user-facing text, then move to body copy and tables. Break complex sentences into manageable segments. Make sure to use CAT tools or your glossary so terminology remains consistent across the document. Also preserve formatting, tags, and placeholders exactly, because layout breaks can corrupt files. While translating, flag ambiguous phrases and cultural references for client or reviewer questions. You finish by proofreading for accuracy, tone, and grammar, paying close attention to numbers, dates, and units. Then run QA checks for untranslated strings, missing tags, and formatting issues so the document appears correctly in the target layout. Export to the requested final file type and prepare a brief changelog and client notes explaining key decisions. If something goes wrong, reopen the editable source, compare with your changelog, and revert or patch only the affected segments to avoid new errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.